How to earn money with Airbnb affiliate program. Hi guys, and welcome in this video where I'll show you how to make money with Airbnb affiliate program and also becoming Airbnb affiliate partner. Joining the Airbnb affiliate program could be the perfect opportunity for you. As an affiliate, you can earn commissions by promoting Airbnb accommodation to your audience. Whether you run a travel blog, manage a social media channel, or have website related to hospitality, becoming an Airbnb affiliate allows you to monetize your traffic and recommendation. So before getting started, let us know what Airbnb is. Airbnb is a globally recognized online marketplace and hospitality service platform that enables individuals to list, discover, and book accommodation around the world. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your website, your web browser, and dive into Airbnb.com. As you can see, this is the website, and if you want to become as an affiliate partner, all you have to do is go to Airbnb Associates Partner. So this is the home page of the website. So we have here Airbnb Associates guidelines. All associates should keep these guidelines in mind. So let's read it together to more understand. First, we have here be transparent about your relationships with Airbnb. Secondly, we have associates are not Airbnb employees and do not work under the direction of Airbnb employees. Never represent yourself as an agent or employees of Airbnb. Also, we have here by posting content on Airbnb, you agree to abide by our content policy. We have also here, don't remove Airbnb's branding from the program tools. Don't use any other Airbnb trade marks or copyrighted materials. Furthermore, we have here, don't hide links, widgets, or pages. Only share program content directly to your followers on your personal sites or social media. Moreover, don't run paid advertisement in print or digital format. Don't bid on Airbnb keywords or arbitrage Airbnb's global audience. Finally, we have here, don't talk through your own links. You won't receive a payout for your own listens. We have here also tools available to Airbnb associates and payment and payout, and a lot of information that can help you to more understand. So let's come back to the top here. We have important notes that we should know it. The Airbnb Associates program allows anyone with an audience to make money by promoting travel or hosting on Airbnb. So what that means is that Airbnb itself is gonna give you a commission if someone click on your link, send, books stay, and whatever. So to earn commission, all you have to do is come back to the website and choose the one you wanna promote. So let's choose, for example, someone here. Let's choose someone like that. As we can see here, and there's a lot of information here. Here are examples for each strategies of earning money through the Airbnb affiliate program. First, we have here promote Airbnb lessons. Create a blog post titled Top 10 Cozy Airbnb Cabins for Winter Getaways, where you feature and link to various cozy cabins available on Airbnb, highlighting their unique feature like hot tubs fireplace or proximity to sky resorts. Secondly, we have here create travel guides and reviews. Write a detailed travel guide on exploring Barcelona on a budget and include sections recommending budget-friendly Airbnb accommodation in different neighborhoods with affiliate links to those lessons. We have also here target niche audiences. Create an Instagram account focusing on luxury travel, post high quality photos of luxurious Airbnb villas around the world. Using your affiliate links in the captions and bio to direct followers to book their dream stays. Moreover, we have here also use SEO strategies. Write a blog post titled Family Friendly Airbnb Rentals near Disney Worlds. Optimized with keywords like family friendly Airbnb Disney World, featuring detailed descriptions and affiliate links to kid friendly properties near the theme park. Furthermore, we have utilized social media. Create a Pinterest board titled Dream Vacation Rentals where you pin visually appealing image of various Airbnb properties worldwide. Use affiliate link in the pinned descriptions to drive traffic and booking. We have email marketing also. Send out a newsletter to your subscribers with the subject line exclusive summer getaways deals, save 100% on Airbnb stays, include curated lists of Airbnb properties and popular summer destinations with affiliate links for readers to book directly. And also we have offer special deals. Partner with Airbnb to offer a limited time discount code exclusively for your audience. Promote this offer on your blog, social media, and email newsletter, encouraging users to use your affiliate link to redeem the discount. And we have create comparison content. Write a blog post titled Airbnb hotels where to stay for your next city break. Compare the benefits of staying in an Airbnb, more space, kitchen facilities, versus a hotel and include affiliate links to both Airbnb listens and hotel booking sites. We have also partnered with travel bloggers or influencers. Collaborate with a travel influencers who specializes in adventure travel. Have them create Instagram stories showcasing their stay in a unique Airbnb treehouse with swipe links to book the same property using your affiliate link. We have stay updated on Airbnb's program. Keep an eye or on Airbnb's affiliate program updates. For example, if Airbnb introduces a new program offering increased commission rates for booking in certain regions or during specific seasons, adjust your promotional strategies to capitalize on these opportunities. This example illustrates how you can effectively utilize different strategies to earn money through the Airbnb affiliate program by promoting lessons, creating valuable content, and engaging with your target audience. So this is for this video. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you in the next video.